Hi everyone, great news. We have just released another version of Advanced ETL Processor and also new versions of Visual Importer. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about what is new and the most important thing, possible breaking changes. So first of all, if you work with Oracle, importing data from Oracle, all dates now in standard DBC format. So you might need to review your mappings. For example, this is the standard DBC format. Another thing we introduced, we greatly enhanced connection to SQL Server. So for example, the software supports working with Azure. So we have additional identification options. To make it work, you would need to install LDB driver 19 from Microsoft and DBC driver 18 for SQL Server. You'll find the links on our wiki. We also added support to a repository. So as you can see, we have authentication option here as well. Another thing I want to tell you is that we have spent some time reviewing existing codes and fixed some memory leaks and improved performance. It's not massive improvement. I would say maybe like 5%. Most of it related to working with dates, because dates are working with them as a complex task. Our changes were related to ODBC connections and SQL Server connection. So if you have any problems, please let us know. Obviously, we did our best to test everything, but as you probably already know, it is perfect. Again, thank you for all your support. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and post them there. We will be more than happy to assist you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.